Once upon a time, in a quiet village surrounded by mountains, there lived a boy named Ravi. Ravi was curious and loved asking questions about everything. He saw the stars in the sky, the rivers that flowed through the fields, and the birds that sang in the trees. But Ravi's family was poor, and he couldn't go to school. Instead, he spent his days helping his father in the fields. Although Ravi worked hard, he often wondered about the world beyond his village. What lies beyond the mountains? He asked his father one day. His father sighed and said, "I don't know, Ravi. I never went to school, so I never learned about the world." This answer made Ravi even more determined. He wanted to learn, to read books, and to discover the answers to all his questions. One day, a teacher named Mr. Sharma came to the village. He decided to start a small school under a big banyan tree. Ravi was thrilled. He begged his father, "Please let me go to Mr. Sharma's school. I will work harder in the fields after class." Seeing Ravi's excitement, his father agreed. At school, Ravi learned how to read and write. For the first time, he held a book in his hands. It was like opening a door to a new world. He learned about numbers, the planets, animals, and even faraway countries. Ravi asked many questions, and Mr. Sharma patiently answered all of them. "Education is the key to understanding the world," Mr. Sharma told him. "It will help you achieve your dreams." As Ravi grew older, he became the best student in the village. He dreamed of becoming a teacher just like Mr. Sharma, so he could help other children learn. But to achieve his dream, he needed to continue his education in the city. Ravi told his father about his dream. At first, his father hesitated. "How will we afford it?" he asked. Ravi replied, "I will study hard and earn a scholarship. Education will give me the tools to create a better future for our family." His father agreed, and Ravi left for the city with Mr. Sharma's blessing. Years passed, and Ravi became a teacher. He returned to his village and built a proper school. He taught children how to read, write, and dream big. The villagers were proud of him and grateful for his efforts. One day, Ravi's father visited the school and saw children learning under a sturdy roof instead of a tree. He had tears in his eyes. "You were right, Ravi. Education has changed everything, for you and for our village." Ravi smiled and said, "Education is like a magic lamp, father. It lights up even the darkest corners and shows us the way." From that day on, the village believed in the power of education. More children went to school, and the village became a better place to live. Ravi's story taught everyone that education is not just about books, it's about opening doors to opportunities, solving problems, and making the world a brighter place. Moral: this story reminds us that education is the key to unlocking our potential and changing lives for the better.